Alright, so now we get to the fourth level, Film Accounting and Auditing Advanced. And here I'm going after state film tax incentive audits. Now the advanced level says learning activity level most useful for individual mastery of the particular topic. So film accounting and auditing. This level focuses on the development of in-depth knowledge, a variety of skills, or a broader range of applications. So the application that we're looking at here is state film tax incentive audits. So that's the certification of the cost report. Alright, so now part one, film tax incentives. And we talk about what they are. Again, standard way to go through, video with data afterwards. Who is the client is also in part one. And then I go down part two, state audit instructions. Now I've had to corral this a bit because you can imagine there's a lot of material. So I went for five different states, as well as the state of California. Now when we look at the reference page here, I'll show you what I mean. So now we go to the source links to audit instructions. We're looking at Connecticut, Louisiana, Massachusetts, Michigan, New Mexico, and I refer a lot to the California expenditure tracking tips and the guidelines. These are really good. They're well laid out. They've taken a lot of time and trouble, consulted film accountants and producers and legal people in the field, so I really like these. I focus on Connecticut audit instructions because it is the one state that uses me to train CPAs on film accounting and auditing. If you want to get listed as an auditor who can do state certifications, then you need to have done my course. Okay, so that's how I corral it, and then from there you can bring that material together that you understand and be able to apply it to any state. Believe me. Alright. So what do we do? So that's part two, and then part three is qualified expenses, qualified payroll, real and tangible personal property. So we look at every reference, there's full videos, and we get these definitions down pretty cold. And then part four is the fun part, related party transactions, and we also look at ownership and sources of funds. And in here I relate my experiences with film production and some of the inside things that you need to be looking for. Alright, well, thank you very much for taking the time to review these 4 courses. I hope to meet you someday.